If you are excited about living in Sedona, then this is the home you have been waiting for. Single level living and extraordinary red rock views. It doesn't get better than this. So if you're ready to make this dream your reality, I am Jeanette Sauer. Give me a call. Single level, inside a gated community tucked against the red rocks. Let me show you around Lay Springs. This community doesn't allow any short-term rentals, so every home here is someone's actual home. And you can feel that the moment you drive through the gate. Life in this house starts right out here on the deck. 58 feet, north-facing, looking straight at the rocks. Coffee first, and the only real question of the morning, a walk through the rolling streets, the community garden, a little splash in the pool. And that pool is the community's, which means you get all the benefits with none of the upkeep. The HOA really carries the maintenance load here so that you can arrive, enjoy your Sedona life, and not deal with a list of chores. A double-sided fireplace, warming both the living and the dining room. An open kitchen that keeps anyone cooking right in the conversation. And even a guest suite with its very own bath, because everyone you know is going to want to visit here. Then the day ends where it started. Dinner out on the deck, while the Red Rocks put on the best show in town. Every showing I do at this house always slows down on the deck. It's just that good of a view.